Hello everyone, welcome back to our magical garden. Hope you are all doing good and staying safe out there. Now that we are officially in the fall season, we are planting garlic in our magical garden for the very first time. In the areas where winters get really cold and also get significant amount of snow, it is best to plant garlic in fall time. That means about 4 to 5 weeks before the first frost date. As this is our first time growing garlic, we read a lot of online articles to learn more about growing garlic. What are the most important things to consider before we plant garlic? In today's video, as we are planting these garlic bulbs, we would like to go over some of the very basic and important things to consider before we plant the garlic. First and most important step, choosing the location. When you are choosing the location for planting your garlic, remember that garlic won't be ready for harvest until late next summer. That means your garden bed won't be available for another type of crop until then. Second thing to think about is what kind of garlic to plant. We might be able to grow garlic plants from the garlic we buy from grocery stores, but one thing to be careful about is grocery garlic sellers might be treating the garlic with a sprout inhibitor to prevent it from growing. So if you are in doubt, look for the garlic sold specially for planting. Now coming on to the type of the garlic to choose from, there are mainly two types, hardneck and softneck. Hardneck type is best for the regions with very cold winters. These are very hardy and do good even in the zones 5 and below. On the other hand, softneck type is best for the regions with mild winters. They also taste milder than hardneck. Here I have both the varieties. The German red garlic is one of the hardneck variety and European white is one of the softneck variety. As per what I read online, for my growing zone I can try both. So this year I am trying to grow both the types. Now let's talk about the third and most important thing, that is soil. For any root vegetable to grow healthy, soil has to be loose and well drained. We already added homemade compost and manure to this soil, which will help with all the beneficiary bacteria, fungi and other nutrients. We added a bit of coco peat and bone meal too. Bone meal is high in phosphorus. And phosphorus is very crucial to get good garlic stands. Now that our garden bed is ready with the good soil mixture, let's talk about our fourth important thing to think about, that is how to plant the garlic bulbs. It is very simple and straightforward. Right before we plant the garlic, break the whole garlic into cloves. Make sure to leave those thin layers of cover on the cloves as much as you can. Then plant those bulbs about 4 inch deep with pointy side up. Here I am trying to leave about 3 to 4 inch space in between each clove. That is it, we are done planting the garlic. Just water gently and then cover the bed with mulch. Here I am using layers of straw as the mulch. The main reason we are adding mulch is that for the next few weeks our temperatures are going to fluctuate a lot. So this mulch will make sure the cloves will stay warm enough so that they can establish the stronger roots before the ground completely freezes. So we are done with planting garlic for today. I can't wait for the new growth to emerge on these bulbs next spring. I will share the progress on this once I start seeing some new growth on these bulbs. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Until then, happy gardening.